Hi, this is Ramu, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In last classes, we have seen lists, dictionaries, and tuples. In today's class, we are going to see how to use a sets and what is the purpose of the sets. Sets is one of the data structure is used in the Python. Here, the definition of mathematically a set is a collection of items and not in any particular order. There's a difference between the list and tuples and sets. We don't have any particular order and the elements of sets cannot be duplicate. So these are the elements should be the unique. See, the sets are used when you want to remove the duplicates. If you want to remove the duplicates, if you apply sets, simply the all elements are get the unique elements. Please note this. When you want to delete all the duplicates, you just apply set, then the data, the list is deleted from all the duplicates. And elements in the set is immutable. Please note this. Set are the immutable, individual elements, but not in the entire set, right? And as well as there is no index attached to any element, means you don't have a provision to access the particular element in the set. The entire set is a one entity. You don't have a permission to get in the index based elements. Means, for example, if you consider the list, suppose the list contains 5 elements. Based on the index, L of 0 means you'll get the first element. L of 2 means you'll get the second element. But the sets, you don't have a provision to access the individual element. That is the purpose, that is the future of the sets. Let us see how to create a set. We have 3 ways to create the set. The first one, by using a set is a function. By using a set function, you have provision to create the set of the list. That list is converted into the set. And the second one is the by using flower brackets. See, we'll see with a small example. For example, if you have a L equal to, L is a list, right? L equal to, it's a list, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? After that, if we want to convert the set, S equal to, set is a keyword, right? Function, right? Set of L. Then if you print, yes. See, what is the output here? The flower brackets. The set, the list is converted into the set. What happened if the values are repeated? For example, if you write 1 here and 5 here, 6 here. If you execute the same thing, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if you observe the original list, it contains duplicate values. See, 1 is repeated, right? 1 is repeated, but the list is converted into the set, means the set doesn't have duplicates. A set doesn't have duplicates. Please note this. In the competitive exams, if you want to remove the duplicates, simply by applying the sets, you have provision to remove all the duplicates. Right? Is this clear? And one more thing. If you want to create a list by using flower bracket also. See, sir, is that apply multiple data types? See, let us see. This is also possible. It's a heterogeneous data type. It is a heterogeneous data. Only the thing is, the element is repeated or not. And have you observed one thing here? For example, if I use 11 here, see, have you observed? 1, 2, 3 means the data in the sorted order. The least you will get the data in the sorted order. By default, the data will get the sorted order. And sir, can I access the first element or first particular element? Is that possible? No, it is not possible. Means list doesn't have any index. If you want to access, there is the provision to access entire set as at a time. Entire set as at a time. You don't have a permission to access by index wise. Right? Is this clear? This is the creation of the list. Creation of the sets. The next, how to access the values. Just now we have discussed. So we don't have a provision to access the index wise, but you have a provision to access all the elements from the set by using for loop. See, for example, this is the list, right? If you want to retrieve all the elements, see, if you use a star, it remove the brackets. If you don't want that, you just use a star s. But if you want to print each of the element of the set in a separate line, then you just use a loop, right? For s in, sorry, I in yes, right? Here, if you use I, then see what is the output here. Individual access is possible by retrieving all the list, entire set. But the particular element, you don't have a provision to access by using sets. Is this clear? This is the purpose of the sets. Now we have seen how to create a set and as well as how to access the set. And we have so many operations are available in the sets. The first one is the adding element into the set. Add is a method. Please note this. Add is a method. By using add method, you can add the particular element to the set. See, yes, dot add of IARE. See, if we execute this one, see, IARE comes to first because if you observe here, I is a smaller than the R, capital R. So we'll get the data in the sorted order, even if you inserted data in the last. Add is a method by adding the element into the set, right? Next, we'll see how to remove the element. See, discard, discard. Discard is a method to remove the particular element from the set. You know, the sets doesn't support the what it is called index, right? So if you want to remove element by using the particular element name only, element value only. See, by using discard, I'm going to remove 111 value, right? Yes dot discard of 111. See, the 111 is deleted from the given set. Is this clear? Next, I have seen how to create a list and how to access the list and how to add the list and finally how to remove the element from the set. And union. These are the union, intersection, right? Difference. These are the operations are available with the sets, right? Union means the combination of the two sets to the common element. So the elements, the different elements. For example, here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is there, right? And second one, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is there. So finally the list is, so Monday is not there, right? And Tuesday is not there, right? Wednesday is there, right? It only will get the only one time Wednesday, right? See, for example, here the list is there, right? And I'm going to take the same thing here. L is there, right? S1 and 111. Here IARE is there. IARE is there. I just removed this one, and this one is also removed. See, print of yes. What I'm going to do? Applying the union means union is a symbol of R symbol. Yes of S1. These two will get the union of the two sets. Union of the two sets. See what is the output. What I'm going to get here? I'm going to combine the two different sets into the single set. This is the purpose of the union. Purpose of the union. See, for example, if I remove these elements from here, if you run this code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And 111, ROM and IARE. This is a union. Union means combining the two sets. If you have a common elements, it is going to consider only single time. But coming to the intersection. Intersection. Intersection means it is going to do the common elements between the two sets. Common elements of the given two sets. See, if you want to apply the intersection, simply by using AND operator. By using AND operator. See. If you apply AND operator here, only 1, 5, 6 are the common elements in the two list. See. Here 1, 5, 6 is there and here 1, 5, 6 is there. These two are the common elements in the two list. And means the intersection. Intersection means it is going to do the common elements of the given two lists. Right? And next, a difference of the sets. A difference of the sets means it is going to remove all the elements which are not available in the first list. It's going to give only the first elements of the list. It is going to obtain the remaining elements. Means, for example, if you consider here, these are the two sets, right? So it's going to give the only this part of the elements. This part of the elements. See, if you apply difference, if you apply difference here, only ROM. Reason is, see, here if you subtract, so 1, 5, 6 is there, right? 1, 5, 6 is there. So it subtract all the elements. Only the remaining element is ROM. That is why it printed only ROM. Is this clear? And compare. Compare is a operation. So greater than and less than. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal. It is going to give true and false. True and false. If the set is greater, it gives the greater. Otherwise, it gives the lesser. Right? Is this clear? So in the today class, we have seen purpose of the sets, right? As well as how to apply various operations like creating the list, adding the element, removing the element, right? Accessing the element, and sets operations. How to apply union on the sets, intersection, and difference, and compare. All the operations I have seen. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.